Jason and Laura Toronto is being promoted as a boutique-style clothing brand with a strong backstory and big discounts. But there are several signs that suggest you should be cautious. The website presents itself as a Canadian fashion brand with over 10 years of experience, claiming to offer high-quality clothing with a personal touch. It includes a detailed founder story, customer testimonials, and polished product images, all designed to build trust quickly. However, when you look closer, there are some familiar patterns. The site heavily relies on emotional branding and recent-looking reviews like 12 hours ago or 1 day ago, which are often controlled by the website itself rather than independent platforms. There are also no strong external reviews or long-term reputation data available, which is unusual for a brand claiming years of experience. This lack of independent verification is a common trait of newer or rebranded dropshipping stores. Another concern is the pricing strategy. Many items are listed with large discounts from high original prices, which is a tactic often used to create urgency and perceived value. The return policy also requires buyers to pay for return shipping, which can be expensive if items are shipped from overseas. Looking at similar city boutique stores, customers frequently report issues like items not matching photos, lower quality materials, and slow shipping times. These patterns don't confirm the store is a scam, but they do raise the risk level. So, is Jason and Laura Toronto real or fake? It's not officially confirmed as a scam, but it shows multiple warning signs commonly linked to dropshipping style stores. The bottom line is that Jason and Laura Toronto appears to be a high-risk and proven fashion store, so it's best to be cautious and use secure payment methods if you decide to try it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.